Hello students. So I got to know that you are already done with the chapters, the road not taken, the fun they had, and the little girl. So today I am going to start with the chapter The Sound of Music. So today in this lecture I will give just an overview of the chapter, and the chapter The Sound of Music has been divided into two parts. Each part focuses on two great musicians. They are Evelyn Glenny and our Indian legend Bismillah Khan. So this chapter chooses these two musicians because of their interesting lives. The chapter shows their struggles and hard work, and you will learn while reading this chapter that how hard work and determination can help us achieve things, can help us achieve our success. Now, the first part, which is about Evelyn Glenny. The first part shows the life of Evelyn Glenny and her struggles to become a successful musician. She has the talent to play hundreds of instruments perfectly. She is a multi-percussionist. Now, what's interesting is that Evelyn is profoundly deaf. She cannot hear. She learned to listen to music through her body and not through her ears. She does not hear music, instead, she feels it. But her inability to hear could not stop her from becoming a successful musician. So we will later learn her whole life journey and her struggles while we move ahead with the chapter. But right now, I am just giving an overview of the parts. So she is a great inspiration to the spatially able community or to the people who have this kind of troubles like she had. So this is all about the part 1 of the chapter, The Sound of Music. Now we are going to look at the word meanings of part 1, which is all about Evelyn Glenny. So now we are going to look at the word meanings. So here we are with the word meanings of the chapter The Sound of Music, part 1. So the first word is jostle, J-O-S-T-L-E, jostle. Jostle meaning push roughly. Number 2, slight, small and thin. Number 3, daunting, meaning frightening and scary. Number 4, aspiring musician, meaning a person who wants to be a musician. Number 5, profoundly deaf, meaning absolutely deaf. Number 6, gradual, meaning in phases or step by step. Number 7, conceal. Conceal means to hide. Number 8, deteriorated, meaning worsened, reduces. Number 9, urged, meaning requested. Number 10, impaired, meaning weakened. Number 11, specialist, meaning a doctor specializing in a particular part of the body. Number 12, pursue, meaning to follow. Number 13, xylophone, a musical instrument with a row of wooden bars of different lengths. Number 14, percussionist, meaning a person who plays the drum, the tabla, etc., meaning a person who plays different musical instruments. Number 15, potential. Potential means quality, ability, or capacity. Number 16, youth, meaning young people or people like who are in college or high school. The college going or the high school school going students or the young people, they are called youth. Number 17, orchestra, group of musicians. Number 18, audition, meaning a short performance given to be judged. Number 19, orchestral work, meaning group performance. Number 20, solo, meaning to perform single. Number 21, most sought after, meaning most popular. Number 22, intriguing, fascinating and curious. Number 23, flawlessly, meaning without a fault or mistake. Number 24, lilt, meaning a way of speaking. Number 25, tingles, meaning causes a slight pricking or stinging sensation. Number 26, resonances, R-E-S-O-N-A-N-C-E-S, resonances, meaning echoes of sounds. Number 27, workaholic, meaning a person who finds it difficult to stop working, or it means someone who loves working. Number 28, enormous, meaning big. Number 29, accomplished, meaning achieved. So these were the word meanings. These are the word meanings of the first part of the chapter, The Sound of Music. And I want you students to write all these word meanings, because to write down all these word meanings, because it will be helpful for you while you will be when you will be reading the story, reading the chapter with me. When I'll be explaining the story to you, it will be helpful for you if you write down these word meanings.